Artsystem software has long enabled its users to elevate their business with accounting exports to QuickBooks. Artsystem5 continues this tradition by offering tight integration with QuickBooks Online. This feature saves time and eliminates errors by preventing double data entry and redundant transaction processing. To get started, Artsystem support will assist with import and configuration for the chart of accounts from an existing QuickBooks Online subscription. Helpful custom layouts will be added to the Transactions and Works modules, along with assignment of item types, appropriate tax jurisdictions, and vendors. After initial setup is complete, posting to QuickBooks will be seamlessly integrated with the Artsystem5 sales workflow. To begin, locate the artwork record within the database and confirm that sales and account information are assigned in the Financials tab. From the Transact menu in the Preview pane, select Invoice and proceed to generate an invoice transaction for the work or works that are to be sold. When the transaction detail opens, adjust the financials as needed and assign a tax jurisdiction and account. After saving these changes, click the Post button to initiate automatic transfer of data to QuickBooks Online. When complete, click Continue at the prompt. To receive payment on this invoice, click the Payment button, again, adjusting the financial details as needed and assigning an account to receive the funds. When complete, these transactions are now found in QuickBooks Online without the need for further action. And can also be reviewed in the Artsystem5 database. In addition to QuickBooks Online, a generic export option is available for accounting programs with import capability, while QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Premier for desktop can also be configured. Mac or Windows formats are supported for the downloaded file. For more information or to get started with QuickBooks Online integration for A5, please contact info@artsystems.com.